What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at ClassDojo and I'm going to be teaching you how to create a class. So guys, make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, basically the previous video I taught you how to create an account for the teachers, and today we are going to talk about how to create a class. So if you're using the Android, basically from your dashboard, tap on the new class, basically, which is with this big blue plus option, which says new class. Name your class, set your grade level, choose your preference for sharing point with parents, then tap on the blue check mark. Basically from there on, tap on the plus, which is an add option from within your new class to begin adding students to your new class. Add your students by entering their first and last name. Tap on the matching name from the drop down menu to add the students from the school directory, or tap on add student name to add the student as new, then select done. Your invites for the newly created class will be emailed to you after selecting the three-dot button in the top right corner of your class. Then connect parents, then invite with printouts. If you add a new student, you can always request updated invites from the web. So basically the system is similar. If you're using the web, basically click on the plus again, which is a new class title, then enter a name for your class and select your class grade level or year. Click on blue create option, invite co-teachers to join your class by typing in the email addresses or searching through the populated list of teachers' name from your directory. If you don't wish to add co-teachers at this time, tap I don't have co-teachers. From your new class, click on add option. Basically each student's names will appear, or you will just type in and basically add the students. The process is the same as on the app, as I told you. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.